What is up, guys? Welcome back to Spoiled Little Bastards. And on today's episode, as you guys can see, we are working on the Camaro. Time to do some small stuff to it. Yeah, this is kind of a small but like cosmetic wise looking thing. I ordered this last night and it got here today. Amazon is the best. Yes, it's an Amazon piece, but it definitely is something that I think is going to change the look of the car, something that I think is going to make it look 10 times better. And let me walk it over to you. These things right here, these little side markers, they just bother me. Like, they're just so out there, they're so bright, and they need to go. Our blacked out ones that have an LED strip. I don't know exactly what the brand name was called. If you look up Camaro SS side markers on Amazon, you will find these. They were like 40 bucks. I think it's definitely going to be due. And really, I'm just going to start getting into it. This should be a quick and easy install. It's just take out a couple screws in the front here, fender well, take that out, and you'll be able to just kind of pull it back, unclip it, same as the rear. And that's really it. Hopefully COVID is going well with you guys. Keep wearing your masks wherever you're at. And let's get into the Amazon package and see what the hell these are gonna look like on here. I'm excited, so. This doesn't look like there's 4 in here, but we're gonna see. Ooh. Alright, here we go. We got 4 of them here. Hopefully I can figure out what is the rear and what is the front. But supposedly these are just plug-ins. I can see that that's the front. That looks like the front. And these look like the rear. So we're going to get started with the front. It should be an easy piece. Installation is loosen the fastener that is located in the fender liner, like I told you guys here. I'll zoom it up a little bit once you guys can, so you guys can see me like working on it. With a T15 Torx bit, you're just gonna pull the fender back to get it out, unclip it, rotate the connector and pull straight back, and remove your stock bulb. Raise the pin up before inserting. That I'm all gonna have to look at, but let's go ahead and at least get first this little guy. Let's first get him out of and off the car. Alright, well, I'm going to be cut off a little bit on my head. I'm trying to get you guys like the best idea of this. So like I said, it was a T15 Torx bit, sorry. And so I actually have just the screwdriver like part, you know, and then I also have the ratchet because you're going to want to be able to do it to get into the rears. The rears are a little more difficult. Obviously, when you're working on whatever side, turn the wheel so it's easiest to access. And so I'm just going to go ahead. And I think you're going to need to take out, it said the middle, and I want to say this second one up here, maybe the bottom, just so you could really get it underneath, you know. And let's get these 3 out.
Small ones got like basically it says window tint over hers. Window tint over what? It's like window tint over her. See the reflectors you see? Like that? Yeah. Be black.
And so in here there's going to be this top clip. It's an orange, obviously. And so what you're going to do is you're going to want to push down and push out. It's super simple. Same's going to be, see how there's like this little air vent? There's going to be one that's underneath. You're going to push up and push out. Almost. Hold up. Hang on. Almost. And there you go. And so now it's out, just kind of let it hang, and that's now you can start replacing it with the other one. So you guys can see what it is. Okay, so you're gonna actually have to use this part. So it has this little end on here which actually connects to the bulb, if that makes any sense. So I'll show you. So you're gonna take this, you're gonna twist this out, pull this out. I already had to test fit it and try it, and the bulb came out. So you pull the bulb out. Then you take this part where it's all wrapped around here, and you're just gonna basically like replace it with where the bulb would go. It's gonna clip in, right? And then you take this part, plug it back into the harness, and then you just kind of, I guess, toss that in there. It doesn't really say anything crazy to do. Then you're just gonna clip it in, and bada bing, bada boom, they're black. And holy crap, I think that looks super, super sick. Let's make sure that they're all clipped in. That's the last thing I want, is one of these suckers to fall out. Let's see. Yep, that's in. All right, and let's see what it looks like. And as you guys can see, well, there you go. Look how much cleaner that looks. I really love like the single stripe going down here, and oh my God, when it's black, watch, let me go turn the lights off for you real quick. God, that looks so cool. Turn the lights off, and it just looks so much meaner. That black just looks so good sitting there. Oh yeah, I really do like it. Okay, so now that the front one's done, let's go ahead and try the back. That way you guys can get an idea. Well, first, don't lose sight, even though it looks so cool, make sure you put your 3 bolts back in. After I put these 3 back in, we'll go ahead and try the back. I'll probably do the other side in fast motion, so you guys just get like a quick montage, and then we'll go see what this looks like at night, because that's kind of the biggest thing I'm excited to see. We'll get an overall view of what it looks like murdered out or blacked out lenses, you know, and if you got a Camaro SS or a RS or whatever, any kind of Camaro, I highly suggest just getting this blackout kit. $40. It gives you that LED. I mean, this is not a paid product, but holy crap, it looks amazing. So let's go ahead, let me put these in, and we'll get to the rears. Alrighty guys, so again, I'm going to kind of squat down here. Whoa. They already look a little tinted, but same thing. There's going to be a bolt down at the bottom, a bolt here in the middle, and then one up here. It gets super tight. I already took out the bottom one and the middle one, but let's see, where's this sucker at? It starts to get tight. The top one is apparently going to be the easiest. It's just you can't really see it. So let me go ahead and get this guy out. Jesus. This one seems to be getting my butt. There we go, come on. Alright, so all 3 are out. So I went from the bottom down here, and same thing, you're just gonna pick up the fender well, and there's gonna be one. The bottom one is going to go up and out, which actually I think it's easier to start with the top. Yeah, so the top one is going to be the exact same as the front. You're going to push down on the little clip, and it's going to slightly come out, and then the same you're going to do here, and you're going to push up and give it a little bit of a slight, there was a little EcoBoost Mustang that went by, a little bit of a slight, Jesus, I wish. There we go. Whew. Okay, if you have small fingers, it helps. I'm just saying, it's tight in here. So that one, you'll just push up with the clip, and then bada bing, bada boom. So instead of what I had done first time, you're just gonna twist to the left and pull the bulb out. This thing is no longer, I'll show you guys the clip so you guys get an idea. So let's see if it'll focus. Focus. Anyways, if it doesn't, you'll kind of get the idea. Clip, push up, this top clip you'll push down. Makes it a little easier. Take the bulb out by throw in the new sucker. Let's go ahead, push it in. I'm really gonna trust that it works. Clip in. Woo! That looks so sick. It looks so good black, like when it's sitting, when it's chilling. So now, really, we just gotta see what it looks like when it's lit up. 3, 2, and 1. Let's see. Oh, no way. You guys, that looks so sick. Holy crap. Whoa, that looks so cool. Oh my God. That, I $40 part just makes the car look 10 times better. All right. Oh my God, the fronts and the rears. All right, so now I'm gonna flip the car around, and I'm going to just do a quick little like speed up of me doing the fronts and the rears on the other side, on the driver's side, and then like I said, we'll probably go take it to somewhere that's gonna be a little darker because it's still a little bright out. That way we can kind of get the full visual of what these things look like at night, because right now they're bright. So we'll do that, make it super quick, and let's get to that.
want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down.
Oh, let's see, lighting. Alrighty guys, and that is going to conclude today's video. Holy macro. Hang on, let me try to get like the good angle. That looks absolutely insane. Like these little itty bitty lights right here, these side markers, just change it. It makes it look so much better. The blackout is just so clean. It looks good, just both front and rear. Like, oh, here, watch. We'll even turn them off just so you can see what it looks like when they're blacked out. Like that just looks 10 times better, more menacing. Focus? Whoa, really bad on focus. We'll leave it at that. Makes it 10 times better, and oh my god, I just cannot believe it. Zoom, what? There you go. It just looks so much better. So that is going to conclude today's episode. Hopefully you guys did like and enjoy this. More stuff to be coming for the Camaro. I promise. It is time. It is time I get to start modding this thing, because that was just like a little snippet, like a little just quick clip that, once again, I'll say it before so you guys can get on with your merry way and watch another YouTube video, meaning you'll watch another one of mine. They look amazing, blacked out, and that is going to conclude it. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, make sure you leave a like, hit that subscribe button. Come on, let's keep building more. If you guys want to see more content like this, then you guys better hit that subscribe button so I know you guys are watching and wanting to see more stuff, especially, whoa, we're losing the camera, especially stuff of this Camaro getting built, because I'm here to do a bunch of stuff with it, and that's going to conclude. See you guys in the next video. Camaro says, adios.